Hey girls, I wanted to jump on here for a little bit and kind of share with you our new products. I just got my order in today, so I'm going to wait a few minutes and see if anyone jumps on. If not, go ahead and watch the replay. I know there is a time difference as far as where I'm at in California and where you girls are, most of you girls, so it's a little bit earlier here. I think it's a little after 5 last time I checked. So like I said, I'll give you a few minutes to jump on, but I got our new Core catalog in the mail today, and it is really pretty. It looks like a magazine. It's called Pampering Fixation, and this is going to last us all year. So all of 2018, we will have this product, or the products that are in this catalog, available. I just want to show you girls just the inside real quick because I think it's really pretty. It gives you different steps as far as like for dry skin and products to use, so really like the way they have this laid out. And then of course our products have really beautiful packaging, so there's that. And I actually had Michael open this box for me earlier today, so I didn't peek inside. I know what I ordered, but I haven't actually looked at the products yet. I just wanted the catalogs out, so I had him open this and get the catalogs out for me. And let's see, if you're watching, comment and let me know. I'm not sure how to see comments on this, so I'm looking, but I may have to go back and see at the end if there's comments. But I'm gonna go ahead and open this box and get into the products. Michael retaped the box for me, like I said. I had him open it first, so we'll open that. And then this is going to be our new Core catalog, so our Core products. So I ordered quite a few, and every order of Posh you will get a Pink on the Brink catalog. It's kind of just like a newsletter, up to date, to keep you up to date on what's going on with Posh, and of course a sample. Okay, so I have, what do I have here? I've got 6 products in this order, and I have another order coming of the new products, so they broke it up for me. The first thing that I see is our new body polish, and I'm just going to give you my first impression. Of course I'll have to use these products to give you the review, but this is You Apricot Me, and this is a body polish, and I'm actually shocked at how big the container is. I thought online when I looked, I thought it said 3 ounces, but it's actually a 9-ounce tube. So it is body polish with apricot seed powder and loofah. I'm going to open it and kind of smell it. We have this in a dry body oil and a body butter as well, this scent. And if you hear Paxton and Michael, we are, I'm in Wyland's room right now, so I'm sitting over the playroom, and Michael and Paxton are down there playing Paw Patrol. So if you hear that, that is them. Okay. Okay, so it smells exactly like the body butter, and I just want to see the consistency. Okay, so it's a little thinner than I thought, if you can see that. And it's actually, it feels really soft. What can I compare it to? Our BFF face wash is what I would compare the consistency to. So if you have really sensitive skin and the snarky bars actually are too abrasive, I recommend this for you. This is supposed to be our most gentle scrub. So that is the first thing. And the next thing I got is gel. Yes, this is a gel to water facial moisturizer, orange and bergamot. So I use Moisturize 911 daily, but I thought, you know, I'll switch it up and try something different. And the gel to water really intrigued me, so I'm excited to see that. And we'll see. It smells so good. It smells just very citrusy. It almost smells the same as Moisturize 911. So this is supposed to be a gel to water. Okay, so that is what it looks like as far as the consistency right out. And it does, the more you rub it into your skin, it does kind of thin out and absorb. And it really smells citrusy when you rub it in. I'm excited to try that on my face tomorrow after I wash my makeup off. So that is one of our new facial moisturizers. And you will have to excuse me, I am out of breath. This little guy has grown quite a bit and he is pushing everything up, so I can't breathe, but I am trying. Let's see, our new Sleep On It mask. So I'm gonna use this tonight so I can let you girls know my review on this tomorrow, but this is an overnight face mask. So we had apricots overnight in the past and it's retired now, so this is replacing it. It is got shea butter and palm butters in it. So I'm not going to open that one, but I will share my review with you girls tomorrow. I'm going to try it tonight. Okay, so now here is the Snarky Bar. This is our new Snarky Bar. This is the Healer. So it's going to be an orange and vanilla scent. Now the Healer stick that we have, our skin stick, to me smells like that orange creamsicle ice cream. And this smells exactly the same. So this is our exfoliating soap bars, and I use these on my feet because they're too abrasive for me to use anywhere else on my body, but that's just my personal preference. So the Healer, there's that. Okay, and another body butter. I have so many. I was hesitant to order this because I have so many, but this is jam-packed. This is our new antioxidant rich body butter. So it's a berry scented, and it is strawberry, pear, and plum. And I've heard nothing but good things about this, so I'm really excited to try it. Let's see what it looks like. And every body butter and product you get is going to come sealed. This one is sealed really well. I may not be able to get it. Okay. Okay, it smells so good. Right off the bat, you can get the smell of the strawberry. It smells like a yogurt to me. I really like it. If you can see, it's pink. Really pretty. And it's not as thick as the other body butters, which I'm surprised by. And I'm actually excited because I don't really care for a thick body butter. So this is really great. Excited to use that. Yeah, it's a lot thinner and it doesn't feel greasy to me. That's why I don't really gravitate towards a body butter, because it feels greasy, but this doesn't. So I'm excited to look more into the ingredients on this and share with you girls, because it smells really good and it's really thin and not greasy at all. So I'm excited about that, and that is jam-packed. And last but not least in this order is Squeeze Me. This is a citrus super C toner for your face. So it comes with a pump and it's a citrus scent as well. I'm not going to open this one up, but what you're going to do is wash your face, do all your cleansing first, and then you can tone and moisturize. So vitamin C helps to brighten and tighten the skin. So that's why I bought this, because I could use all the brightening I can get. So I'm excited to try that. And like I said, this is just a first impression. Stick around throughout the week, in the next coming weeks, and I will give you more reviews. All right, girls, if you have any questions, let me know. Bye.